Grieve agus fáilte arás go dtí an Caroline Dowsa ar an channels. Hello and welcome back to our channel Dancing Workshops. So seo Caroline over tree number 3 that we'll be doing anew. Tá gá cínte tá an go dtí seo. So what we're going to do is, like the past 2 workshops, tá much chun gá céim eile a dhéanamh reach 2 new steps again. So before we practice over the last few steps that we've done, we're reached cosúla got wrong all the time. We always do. We're going to join our shinta. So I reached them until Susan or Barakini, hain do 3 car cuig shias, hain do 3 car cuig agus suis, hain do 3 car cuig agus shias, hain do 3 car cuig. Ítach. I'm just going to shinny in just da or do 3 car cuig shay shach och knee agus de ítach. So the feet, the calves are nice and warmed up. So I reached tá much chun an cosisiach cumá díreach tá tú chun de lámh chuir síos de Barakini gur de cuig tá branam hain do 3 car cuig mála tú cos hain do 3 car cuig mála tú reached hain do 3 car cuig agus uairán eile hain do 3 car agus cuig. Ítach son an sína tá branam Tara tá fáca I'm just going to reach in a casa temple and see you more. And cos jas, right foot, hain, do, 3, car, cuig, arash, hain, do, 3, car, cuig, cos kai, even more, do, 3, car, cuig, agus, arash, hain, do, 3, car, agus, cuig. Intach. So, and you how much can clock the end, we're going to really quickly just go back over the 4 steps that we've already learned. We're going to try them to kill Gadas Mall. So just to recap on those, we have the King Banu Stock, Sal Bull, up 4, Ivra Do, Sal Barakin Sal, Ivra 3, we have our Shlaney, Sal Bull, and then we have our Lane Gaji and Thief, Susan or Barakini, Lane, Do, 3, her quick. Okay, so I'm just going to clock the in of our Shin Gadas Mall, nice and slow and steady. Agus tar sé sin támuid chun a gá céim nua a dhéanamh cleachta aonamh ar thuisiúd. So, nice and steady, a búla amach an rithim. Okay, so. So a new Thomas chun gá céim nua out 2 new steps. Ceann tá sé písin cos it's a little bit more difficult, maybe it's just we have to get our balance right. So an rud Thomas chun dhéanamh ná Jane may clock the air. I'm going to show you the 2 new steps that we'll be learning today. I'm going to try it a reached with Kjol Toppy, nice and fast music. And again, while I'm doing my steps, you can be a brand new arm looking at me. You can also try and tap your foot maybe, just to listen to the Kjol. So, bon tree last year, and we'll see how we get on. The second cane I did in the middle, that is a slightly harder version than the last step that I did there, the Sol agus Barraqueen. So it's to give you the option to see how you get on. So that's just an option step. You can give that a go if you want. We'll run through them nice and quickly here. So what we're going to do is the first one we're going to do the Trasna Arash cane. So for this cane, I'll show you from behind, I'll show you from the front as well. We're going to act as if our cuss clay, our left foot, is going to be an anchor. So for this cuss clay, we're always starting with it and we always finish with it. Okay? So every time I use my anchor, I'm going to say shas. So shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. So we can see there and we can hear that the shas, you start and finish with it. So Orwanella, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. So reach hain, do, tree, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. Hain, do, tree, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. Either. So if we just do clock them with that, Arash, shas, Trasna, Arash, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, Trasna, Arash. So over and back, Trasna, Arash. Either. Okay? So again, nodding down with that shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. So that shas is always at the beginning and at the end. Okay? So we're going to try that Orwanella, and we're also going to put a clean the new sock. Our basic step that we've had in every single step to Skadisha, we're doing across the air shape. Okay? So reach, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. Now, cuss jazz, my right foot is going to do my cane banisa, sol, sol, bill, sol, sol, bill. Okay? Now, if you see this from the side, when I'm going to Trasna, Tá make shas of Irma Barraquini on the ball of my foot when I go or I make shas Trasna. So this cuss is diruk, it's flat on the ground. The cuss that's I do Trasna, that's up on my Barraquini. If you stand and you use your whole foot, it's actually on the jacker. It's actually quite hard to stand over, and it's actually kind of a little bit awkward as opposed to when you're just like Trasna and using the little ball of your foot. And you can actually do that a little bit in top being refreshing a little bit faster as well. So that's a big help. So we're going to try that Arisht. We're going to try it twice on Ursula. Trasna, Arash, sol, sol, bill. Give that a go, ga, or hain, do, true. Shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, sol, sol, bill. Arisht, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, sol, sol, bill. On a waterfall. So again, after you do your sol, sol, bill, straight into your shas and chin. Just standing on it. Okay? Now, for ever, we have Gall, Keen, Jade, and Chin, 2 done there. For ever, Tree and Car, we're going to put them together. So we're going to go shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, Arisht, no sol, sol, bill, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas. So we're going to put all our shases and our Trasnas together and all our sol, sol, bills together. So for this we have shas, Trasna, Arash, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, and then Ga, sol, sol, bill, starting on the cuss jas, the right foot. Sol, sol, bill, cuss clay, sol, sol, bill. Okay, so we'll just put that bit together again. Orwanella, hain, do, tree, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, sol, sol, bill, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, sol, sol, bill. Lakela, hain, do, tree, car, go, sol, sol, bill, ever hain, sol, sol, bill, ever. On a what? We'll try that Orwanella and we'll try that with the kill that. So reached, hain, do, tree, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, sol, sol, shas, Trasna, shas, Arash, shas, sol, sol, bill. Lakela, shas, Trasna, Arash, ever a tree, ever a car, sol, sol, bill, cuss clay, sol, sol, bill. On a waterfall. So we're going to try that. I'm going to try that with the Kjol this time. So again, Kjol atá Pishin Mall, quite slow, but again we'll give it a go. So reach, we're going to top out our bullet are these just so we have the rhythm. Very, very important with the Kjol on Tábhachtach that we have our rhythm, and we'll do a little bit of our fast marching. So we'll do our hain, do, tree, and then you'll build a bus, your lava, hain, do, tree. Okay? So bottom of tree lash in. Three, march, 3, 9, go, on a wanchin, really good work. So we're going to move on to our came over a shay, our 6th step. Can you believe it? So we're going to do the came simpler of these. We're going to try the easier version of these. And then for anyone that wants a little bit of a challenge, we'll give you the option of doing counter-ration. So I'll show you again from both views. We'll start off from the front view. Sol, we all know where our sol is nach well. Show A our sol, we can show A our barrackeen. Sol agus barrackeen. So in can show that there is shasu, an cus clay, you're standing on your left foot, all your body weight is on that, and you just have sol agus barrackeen. Bantry lashin, hein, do, tree, sol agus barrackeen. 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 Inta, go and try and cosella. So reach shasu, an cus, sol agus barrackeen. Hein, do, tree, sol agus barrackeen. Hein, do, tree, sol agus barrackeen. Or another hein, do, tree, sol agus barrackeen. Anna war fall. So again, we have our sol agus barrackeen. Can anyone guess what we'll be doing right after the sol agus barrackeen? Going to be doing our sol, sol, bool. Anna war. So we see that came as a goni. It's always coming back into it. So it's Anna tábhachtach. Really, really important. So we're going to try that all together. We have Kerrakeen. We have 4 of these all together in total. But we break them up and we just do Ken one with our sol, sol, bool. Okay? So we'll do this from Keith here. We're shasu wearing cus clay, sol, agus barrackeen. Now because I did my sol agus my barrackeen on my cus jazz, I'm going to start on my cus jazz for my sol, sol, bool. Sol, sol, bool. Or when I try that, Lakayla. Sol, agus barrackeen, sol, sol, bool. Cus clay, sol, agus barrackeen, sol. Start on your cus clay because you did your sol and your barrackeen on the cus clay. Sol, bool. Inta go reached, cus jazz, sol, agus barrackeen, sol, sol, bool. Cus clay, sol, agus barrackeen, sol, sol, bool. Inta, Anna. So we 4 of those. We're going to give those a go. Or one ela gone and kill without the music, and then we'll try it with the kill. So or dermach, hein, go, tree. Sol agus barrackeen, sol, sol, bool. Sol agus barrackeen, sol, barrackeen, iver tree, agus iver cahar, sol agus barrackeen. Mashiv fad Anna. Now for those of you that want a dúchlan Savrashin extra challenge, what you'll be doing is you'll be doing your sol, but instead of putting it in front of you, you're going to go across you. Okay, so you put your sol out, chaser, barrackeen, chaser, and then again you keep your sol, sol, bool the same. Sol, sol, bool. So just try that reached. Sol, chass, barrackeen, chass, sol, sol, bool. Cus clay trasna, sol, chass, barrackeen, chass, cus clay, sol, sol, bool. Cus chass, sol, chass, barrackeen, chass, sol, sol, bool. Sol, chass, barrackeen, chass, sol, sol, bool. Now that can sometimes be peaching dacker, it can be a little bit hard. The one thing to really remember there is every time you put a sol out, chaser, every time you put a barrackeen out, chaser. So what I sometimes do, I sometimes have a little name on it. I go sol, lane, barrackeen, lane. So I have no other option but to use the cus. That's free. So I reached sol, lane, barrackeen, lane. So we try the or one out from the cool, just for those of you that want a little extra challenge. Sol, peace, barrackeen, peace, sol, sol, bool. Cus clay, sol, lamer, barrackeen, lamer, cus clay, sol, sol, bool. Cus jazz, sol, lane, barrackeen, lane, sol, sol, bool. Cus clay, sol, lane, barrackeen, lane, sol, sol. Shiv, Anna. So what we'll do is we'll give both canes 2 steps a go with the kill. So we'll try it with kill maller these, and we'll try the simpler version of these, just the sol agus the barrackeen. Sol, sol, bool. And after that we go straight into it. We go into the one that's sharper. Okay? For those of you that find the extra one with the extra challenge on dúchlan a bit too hard, you can repeat your sol agus barrackeen reached. Just a simple one that you have. Okay? But if you want to give it a go, I think Tasha Vanon, you're well able by now, I think. So, Bonnie Tree Lashin, just in sol agus barrackeen. So I'll try it I'll Jane from the front view and shot. So I reached, I bula and cuss ag éisteach leis an geall these. On a waterfall. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the 2 steps that we just learned there, but this time we're going to try them with the ceol mála. These one more time, just with the slower music, and then we'll try them with the ceol atá písín beag níos tapú a little bit harder again. Okay, so just to recap on the cable that we did, we had the trasna arash of these shots, trasna shots, arash shot, tá tá ceol, trasna arash. So 3, 4, and then Sol agus Barrakeen. Sol agus Barrakeen. We're okay with that one. And we'll go into the harder one and count how Písín beag níos deacra taréis sin. So reached or one ella with the ceol mála, 2 steps together with the slower music, and then we try it with the ceol atá Písín beag níos tapúla again, a little bit faster again. Má sé bhar fáistí. Again. So this is the fast music. So we're just going to try our 2 new steps, or our 3 new steps even, O and U. So Bon Tree Losty Foshty, we're going to break them up a little bit again, or we're just going to practice our Trasna Arash, and we'll wait. Trasna Arash. With the ceol or these, we'll do the same with our Sol Barrakeen Fon, Sol Barrakeen Fon, and then we'll try them all together with the ceol. So follow my lead, Mashif Fada Foshty, and again, on Iarach the new, really good effort.